Overnight, Wall Street did pretty well. It was its last regular trading day of this week. The US markets are closed today, Thursday, for Thanksgiving, and will reopen Friday for a shortened session, closing early at 1 p.m. ET. Our call of the day says all bullish eyes remain firmly set on Nifty's all-time high of 26,277.35, and the way momentum is building, that level is now well within striking distance. We reiterate that Nifty will continue to maintain a constructively bullish stance. In fact, the recent upside momentum may not just be a bounce, it could be the beginning of a new positive trend on Dalal Street supported by 1. RBI's MPC meets December 3rd to 5th, and expectations are rising for a possible 25 bps rate cut. 2. Global mood remains upbeat as odds of a US Fed rate cut in December climb after dovish comments from NY Fed President John Williams. The next big catalyst, bullish investors await progress on the long-pending India-US trade agreement. Bottom line, with Nifty holding and closing above 26,000, the rally now looks broad-based across banking, realty, metals, and energy, signaling improving risk appetite. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 4,778 crores, while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 6,248 crores. Nifty's sentiment is likely to remain bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest massive breakout on the upside. F&O November month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,500 and 26,700 zone. India VIX, the fear index is trading near 12.02 levels. At last check, USD INR, December, was trading near the 89.41 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th December, is at 1.26 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th December, is at 1.15. Nifty outlook. If Nifty reclaims its all-time high of 26,277.35, it will mark the end of a 14-month pause. What technicals tells US on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 26,205. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 25,900 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 26,277 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 26,100 and 26,400. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 85,610. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 84,500 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 85,978 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 85,400 and 86,100. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 59,528. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 59,100 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 60,100 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 59,100 and 60,100. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. 45 of the 50 Nifty stocks ended in the green in yesterday's trade, reflecting strong market breadth. Well, lower UFS. Interest rates typically boost the appeal of emerging markets like India, making them more attractive destinations for foreign capital. Bharti Airtel, minus 1.61%, was the big laggard following a block deal, with reports indicating Indian Continent Investment may sell a 7,100 rupees crore stake. Stocks in spotlight. 1. MCX shares crossed the 10,000 rupee mark for the first time, extending a remarkable rally. The stock has surged 132% in the past 8 months, driven by strong volume growth and positive sentiment around the exchange business. Year-to-date, MCX is up till 62% in 2025, following gains of 95% in 2024 and 106% in 2023, marking an exceptional multi-year bull run. Lanti climb 2%, scaling fresh record high, as sentiment around the stock remains upbeat amidst strong order book visibility, execution strength, and continued government spending on infrastructure and defense. Stocks scaling fresh 52-week high. SBI, CMP 984.45, 52-week high at 999 rupees. Larsen, CMP 4062, 52-week high at 4074.60 rupees. Axis Bank, CMP 1290, 52-week high at 1292.80 rupees. Reliance, CMP 1569.90, 52-week high at 1571.60 rupees. Shriram Finance, CMP 856.60, 52-week high at 858.85 rupees.